Hi, welcome back to ritzyventurez and welcome to episode 3 of my Kenya series. Around a month ago, I was in Kenya with my family, and on the third day of our Masai Mara tour, we went to see a Maasai village. I thought I will make a separate video on our Maasai village tour so that the uniqueness of the Maasai culture can be highlighted. Maasai is one of the very few primitive tribes who have retained most of their traditions and lifestyle. So far, we have come across Maasai women outside the gates of Masai Mara National Reserve selling traditional jewelry and the men tending to their herds. While on the way to the Maasai village, let me tell you a little more about the Maasai tribe. Maasais are semi-nomadic pastoralists who live in and around the Rift Valley region of northern Tanzania and southern Kenya. You must know that before the European settlers arrived, Maasai tribes occupied most of the fertile land, grazing and hunting. However, two treaties changed everything. The two treaties, one in 1904, another in 1911, that the Maasai signed with the European settlers, made them lose two-thirds of their lands. Maasai people speak the Ma language. In fact, the word Maasai means people who speak Ma. The main source of income for Maasai is livestock, which they use for food trade and other purposes. Another unique tradition of the Maasai is the predator burial, whereby they leave the bodies of their deceased one for the scavengers to eat. In the Maasai culture, cows are not just animals but are a symbol of wealth and prosperity. Cows provide Maasai with milk, meat, and even blood. Yes, you heard that right. Maasai still drink raw cow blood on special occasions, and they use cow leathers as floor mattress. And with that, we have reached a Maasai village that we plan to visit today. And from our vehicle, we can see the popular jump dance of the Maasai, which is very unique to the Maasai culture. This dance is known as Adumu. I am so eager to participate in it. Let's get down from the vehicle first. The fence that you see here is made from branches of local trees such as acacia, sheal, or sisal. Village, waiting for the guide to take us. The colorful red attire that you see them wearing is known as suka. They are playing football here. This is a welcome dance. Guests are encouraged to join the dance and even wear the red robe suka, and there I join them. It is said that the one who jumps the highest gets the prettiest bride. This dance is an integral part of the Maasai culture, especially during ceremonies like Unoto, which marks a transition from youth to warriorhood. I enjoyed every bit, pulse, and movement of the Adumu dance. It was indeed a wish fulfillment for me. But please do jump higher than me if you participate in this dance. My friends teased me as to why I did not jump higher than what I did. Just finish the dance and going inside the village now.
The lion killer in the village. I have a 2 wives and 4 children.
Okay.
My first wife is a present to me because I'm the lion killer.
Oh.
Yes, I got to show my proof. My
Okay.
hand.
What is your name?
I'm Thomas.
Thomas.
Yes.
Okay.
You can call me Lemayan.
Lemayan. Okay. We are now following Thomas to enter the village. So there is an entrance fee to the village which is negotiable. We paid $50 for 4 of us. We are inside the village now. The huts that you are seeing here are constructed using a mixture of cow dung, grass, and stick. Interestingly, it is the women who build these huts. It takes around 3 months to build each hut, and they stay in each hut for around 5 years. These huts are known as maniatas, and clusters of these maniatas form a sort of village known as Masai Boma. Around 200 Maasai stay in one village from the same extended family. That's why marriage within the villages is not allowed. And that's me. You can see the village behind me. Now going to see how they make
The red
fire.
cedar, and this one is called sandpaper. Sandpaper is the hard one, and cedar is the soft one.
Then the hardwood was
Sandpaper. Yeah, this one is sandpaper.
My was I'm looking for
See the back of the cedar. Cedar wood. So we don't use any material. Yes. Yeah, later.
It's not that they make this fire every now and then. Once a fire is made, they distribute the fire to all the households. This is what Thomas used to
Okay.
the spear to kill the lion when he was 16-year-old. So where do you hold? Show me in the here. Middle you hold. Okay. Okay. That is the headgear he has made from the same lion.
So this is a medicine, herbal medicine.
For which tree is that?
They are a mix of trees.
Okay, like?
Yeah, like acacia roots
Okay.
and others is boiled.
Okay. The Maasais do not visit any doctor for any healthcare issues. They make their own medicine from roots, stems, and barks of trees. Thomas is taking us to his house now.
So this is a guest room. Get inside. Take a photo with the flash. You don't mind. It's my house.
On my left is the storage area. As you can see, it is stuffed with clothes and other household items. Inside the house, it is so pitch dark that we could barely see anything without our flashlight. And next to the storage area is the guest room. This is the bedroom. This is the children's room. 4 people stay in this house. Thomas with one of his wives and 2 children. A Maasai's diet consists of milk, meat, blood, fat, honey, and ugali. And as I've shared before, they drink raw blood from cows. Fresh milk is sometimes mixed with fresh cow blood. At the center of the house is the kitchen. I like the shelf in the kitchen, and that is ugali. Ugali is the staple diet in East Africa. This is the milk with which you have ugali.
Yes,
This is cow milk.
cow milk.
Okay.
To tighten the neck,
You tighten the neck
and then you find a special arrow
yes.
to shoot at the cow here in the rock. A couple of minutes, the cow surviving.
It will die after that.
No,
Ah.
it is still survive.
Okay.
But we kill a cow for meat, but no meat every time. We eat meat in a special occasion,
Okay.
like a wedding, circumcision of the boys to give a baby name. So that's the time is to let a cow and everyone they make a bite of meat.
Let me show you the kitchen shelf once again. So visiting a Maasai house was indeed a unique experience for me. This is Maasai women's welcome dance. Female tourists are encouraged to join the dance. Now I am at the market within the village. This market is run by women. Do pick up a few local products from here, even if you have to bargain, as it helps towards the development of the village. As evening has started to descend and it is time for us to leave the village, I noticed that cows have started lumbering back to the village. And before we leave the village, there is one more important information I wanted to share, that there is no piped water or electricity inside the villages yet.
After learning so much about Masai village, the lifestyle and picking up a few products made by the locals here, we are leaving Masai village.
And that's the end of episode 3 of my Kenya series. Do write to me if you have any query related to this episode. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next episode.